Hi all, I hope you're safe and keeping well. This week we're looking at India's demography. Please provide your title. Demography is the study of statistics, e.g. birth, deaths and income, as well as population data. This is you do now. Please allow yourself 5 minutes to answer these. Going through answers. 1, 2 and 4 are pretty straightforward, so I'm going to go straight on to number 3. Looking at the context. There's a wide range of answers for contextual facts. Remember, context means background information which influences a place. I've put a couple there relating to social, environmental and cultural. Please, can you add 2 more to your answer? Number 5. It's a secondary effect, not a primary. Secondary effects happen as a result of primary. And I've given an example there. So buildings collapsing is the primary effect. And as a result of this, businesses are destroyed, leading to a loss of income. Number 6. Hard engineering, a man-made, e.g. a sea wall or a groin. Soft engineering is uses natural materials or works with those natural processes. For example, beach replenishment. So last lesson, we looked at locational and background knowledge to India. Today, we look at more detail looking at population data, India's demographic. This will help you to be able to understand and apply more precise knowledge in our subsequent lessons. For example, looking at India's economy and the opportunities and challenges faced by people living in the megacity of Mumbai. These are must-know geography definitions. All are development indicators. Please can you prep these as you ordinarily would. Look, hide or cover them, write them down and then check your answers with green pen. You may want to do the first 3 or 4 and then do the second 3 and 4. Okay. Please put the subtitle India's demographic data. So what I've done, I've created a table which gives the indicators for India and the UK. So you can start making some judgments about what sort of country India is compared to the UK. Is it developing? Is it emerging? Or is it a developed country like the UK? Please complete the 2 tasks. I've given you an example underneath the table. As you can see, there are significant differences in the development indicators for India and the UK. Look at the difference in GNI. Around $33,000 difference in the national income. And in the UK, people live on average nearly 10 years longer in the UK compared to India. Please answer question 2 in full sentences. Next week, we'll look in detail about why there are more people live in the UK than India. Here, we have 2 population pyramids, one representing the population of India in 1985 and the other representing India's data in 2015. These 2 pyramids show India's change from a developing country, a poor country, and it's now what's considered to be an emerging country. It's not developed yet. Please, can you read the information and can you summarise what has changed. I would put a subheading 1985 and bullet point 3 facts. I'd then do the same for 2015. We now need to apply our knowledge to a question. Please write out and annotate the question as I have. I would spend 6 minutes answering this question. Please look back at the development indicators from the table and the population pyramid. How do we know that India is emerging? It's no longer developing, it's not a poor country, but how do we know it's not quite yet a rich, developed country? Please can you use the feedback on this slide to improve your answer, as you would do in lesson. We've got spelling, punctuation and grammar. Please pick 3 and write out 3 times. Annotate your answer using the Have You column as a tick list. You can then complete the next steps and the extension task if you wish to. This is an example of an answer you could use. This will help you to check you've completed everything from the Have You checklist. Please don't forget to complete your Seneca assignment and educate assignment. This is a way of us checking that you're understanding the work we are setting and to make sure you've got that core knowledge that you will need to know in order to be successful. Thank you, folks.